Lots of people make imitation pulled pork with jackfruit, but we'll show you a new twist. We'll use the veggie spiralizer for making the main ingredient for our vegan barbecue sliders. We'll start by spiralizing a large bulk carrot with a fettuccine blade. Now this kind of carrot is also called a juicing carrot, and they're really big. Now if you can't find a carrot like this one, you can also grate 2 smaller ones with our veggie strip maker. So we already have 1 medium sweet potato and 1/2 of a red onion spiralized in this bowl. We're just gonna add the carrots to the other vegetables, and then we're gonna snip all the veggies into smaller pieces. We're gonna transfer them to our deep covered baker. We're gonna sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. Go ahead and mix up the vegetables. Now what I love about this recipe is that there's no standing over and stirring. Pop it in the microwave for 12 to 14 minutes on high, and while it cooks, we're gonna make the barbecue sauce. Our sauce today is made with a combination of yellow mustard, apple cider vinegar, pressed garlic, tomato paste, light brown sugar, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and reduced sodium soy sauce. We're gonna whisk these all together. Now we're gonna pour the sauce over the vegetables. This smells so good. We're just gonna mix it up a little bit. We're gonna cover and microwave for a couple minutes until the sauce is thick. You can serve your sliders on vegan buns and top them with dill pickles, or you can serve them on regular buns, in lettuce wraps, or on a salad. The carrots and sweet potatoes create a hearty base that holds the barbecue sauce so well. As you can see, these sliders are a delicious and healthier alternative to pulled pork.